Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that if you're unable to add card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, so how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, if you're unable to add card, so first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you have the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys, you may make sure that you live in that country where Apple Pay or Apple Cash is available. So if you live in that country where Apple Pay or Apple Cash is not available, then guys you may face this problem. The next method is guys, you may make sure that your bank or your card is supported to your Apple Pay. So if your card is not supported, then you may face this problem again. So after this guys, if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may click here on general and click on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. Then guys, you may go back and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of date and time, so you may click here, and here is the option of set automatically, turn this on. After this, here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may scroll down, and here is the option of Apple Wallet, so click here and you may turn on Apple Cash from here. So after this, you may click here on Apple Cash and you may add or you may set up your Apple Cash from here. Then you may click here on go back and you may click on add card, and you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these method, then you may click here again, and here is the option of card verification or card information. So here you may see your temporary card number, so you may use this temporary card number for one time, and guys after this you may contact to your bank and they will fix it and you can add your card permanently. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.